Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group rows in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Smartsheet, you can continue signing in with your Google account, your Microsoft account, even your Apple account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Grouping rows in Smartsheet can offer several benefits for you, particularly when working with large datasets or complex projects, because it allows you to organize related data into logical sections, making it easier to navigate and manage large sheets. You can collapse groups of rows to reduce clutter and focus on specific sections of the sheet as needed. And obviously, grouping rows improves the visual clarity of your sheet by providing a structure. Now, for the users or the reader of the sheet, they would be able to quickly understand the relationship between different data points and facilitates comprehension of complex information. Now, hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to Home. And if this is your first time creating a sheet, click on the Create New and click on Sheet. And you can rename your sheet something like this one and wait for a bit, because it's loading up. Now, once we are here, grouping rows is flexible and can be customized to suit your specific needs. Now, in this, we need to rename this one for now, something like this one. And we can put some entries here. Maybe something like this one. Now, grouping rows is a very straightforward and easy process, all right? Because all you have to do from here is just select the entire row and click on the option here for the indent. All right, because from here you can make selected rows and sub-items that can be expanded or collapsed. And once you've done that, you would be able to group the rows accordingly. Now, grouping rows enhances collaboration by providing a standardized framework for organizing and sharing information. It makes it easier for team members, like here, to find relevant data and contribute to the sheet consistently. And overall, I believe that grouping rows in Smartsheet improves organization, clarity, and focus, making it easier to manage, analyze, and collaborate on your data and projects. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.